All right, so Preet, so uh, you've shared the writing with me, है ना?
Yes.
So this was letter. Okay. Now, is my screen visible to you, Supreet?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So this was the letter which we were to discuss, है ना? There have been several complaints about the reception area where visitors to your company arrive. Your manager has asked you to suggest how reception area can be improved, right? यही था ना?
Yes.
है ना? Okay, great. So, dear sir, I am writing regarding the complaints received from our visitors, which they face while. Uh, See, if they face, then we would say problems, then we would not say complaints, right? You would say that I am writing regarding the problems uh, which have been faced by our visitors, right? Or which have been faced by the visitors while they arrive in our organization or when they step in our organization, right? Now this is a bit direct, I would say. Introduction जो है सुखप्रीत, इसमें हम पहले हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करना था मैं कौन हूँ. So हमें कहना था, okay dear sir, I am an employee of the organization in so and so department, right? जो भी department है, right? And I am writing regarding the problems being faced by our visitors, which when they arrive, when they step in our organization, right? Yeah. So many visitors stated that या फिर आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे, देखो, question is saying your manager has asked you to suggest how reception area could be improved, right? So you would say that I am an employee of the organization in this department, working in this department, and I am responding to your request where you had asked to suggest how reception area could be improved. Since we have received many concerns from our visitors or problems from our visitors, uh, which they face while they step in our organization. Here are the points which I would like to put forth. That way, introduction ऐसे हो जाएगी, ठीक है? Many visitors stated their dissatisfaction with our reception area as the area is overcrowded due to the shortage of space and chairs. Okay. शॉर्टेज की जगह हम डर्थ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, स्केर्सिटी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, DEARTH, डर्थ or scarcity, right? Due to the dearth of space and chairs, they often had to wait for us long time, but there are less number of desks. Okay. Had to is past, so they often have to, that would be present, they often have to, right? ओके. मोर ओवर मोस्ट ऑफ द, जब हमने मोर ओवर लिखा तो आगे जो भी आएगा दैट विल नॉट बी कैपिटल, सो यू वुड राइट मोस्ट ऑफ का एम वुड बी स्मॉल, राइट?
Small.
मोर ओवर मोस्ट ऑफ द visitors belong to the various countries, so they are not able to communicate easily in our language. Okay. Furthermore, air conditioner of reception area is also not working properly as people feel the heat in the waiting area. This is good. So ये आपने अच्छा लिखा है. As you know, reception area the important is an important part, you would say. Reception area is an important part.
Okay.
That's how you would say, right? As you
Yes.
know, the reception area is an important part. Uh, so you need to, I'll just take it forward just a second. Okay, moreover, most of this was done. As you know, reception area is the important part you have said, so is an important part, right, of any company. So better is to use organization of any organization, right? Because it
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैंने बहुत बार यूज कर लिया तो आई हैव टू चेंज इट.
हाँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो जाता है, कहीं और आप कुछ और यूज़ कर सकते हो, राइट? जैसे इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इट गोज मोर विद द वर्बियाज विच यू यूज, राइट? Because it represents the image of an organization. Mm, okay, because it represents an image of an organization. So, individuals wait in this zone to solve their queries uh, and book the appointments for further action. But if we fail to impress our clients, uh, they lose their interest. Fail to impress, rather than saying if we fail to uh, render a good service, you need to say if we fail to render a good service to our clients, they lose their faith. You would say they lose faith in the organization, right? Or they lose faith in the company, right? Understandable.
Yes.
So I would like to suggest few possible solutions for our reception area. We can merge our first room to this area to increase uh, the space and arrange few more desks for them to wait. Secondly, we appoint. Secondly, uh, we must appoint. यहाँ पे हमें लिखना चाहिए, right? We must appoint a receptionist with the linguistic quality to communicate with overseas क्या? With overseas clients.
Client.
So linguistic quality, rather than saying, we would say secondly, we must appoint a receptionist uh, with good communication skills would be good enough to say, right? With good communication skills so that communication with the foreign clients becomes easier. That's how you would say, right? So that uh, the communication with the foreign clients becomes easier, right? Okay. Thirdly, we have to repair our air conditioner to overcome the issues of summer. Not summer, basically we would say, they overcome the issues of heat would be better to say, or overcome mm, mm, the to overcome, what should be there, to overcome mm, rather than saying to overcome, we can also say that, we should repair our air conditioner so that uh, better customer experience can be created. So that better customer experience can be created. Right?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you will consider my suggestions. So this needs to be S, suggestions,
Yes.
positivity. Yeah. Yours faithfully, Sukhpreet Kaur. So more or less, I would say you have done a very good justice to the thing. But a few things which we have discussed, ये थोड़ी सी ठीक करनी है, right? If this is done, then your letter would be good enough. So I would say जितनी पहले की letters हैं उसके comparison में this is much better, right? Okay. Now one more thing which I would like to see. Essay was this one only? Same
Yes,
essay?
ma'am.
Okay. Many local shops, right?
No,
Have
no, this
closed.
not this one.
They
It is from test 7, maybe.
test 7, the previous one, right? This we had already done. Okay. Let me just see. This is reading part. And then we have listening. Mm, yeah, some people say that parents should encourage their children to take part in organized group activities, right? This
Yes,
one?
ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
then,
This one.
okay, okay. Others say that it is important for children to learn how to occupy themselves on their own. Okay. So, it is often argued where certain masses ask parents should motivate their adolescents, right?
Yes.
Yes, to participate in organized group activities in their leisure time, while others tell that adolescents should learn how it is important to engage themselves, not themselves, how
Okay.
it is important to engage themselves by own, rather than saying by own, we will say on their own, right? In this essay, I will shed some light on both the views and give my opinion. Okay, so it is often argued where certain masses ask parents should. Why should we say ask? I would suggest, Sukhpreet, here we would say it is often argued that, make keep it simple, it is often argued that parents should motivate their या फिर अगर we are mentioning whether, then you need to say it is often argued whether parents should motivate their children to participate in organized group activities, right,
Okay. Yes,
in their
ma'am.
leisure time, or right, or they
Yes,
should
ma'am.
learn to engage themselves on their own. Understandable? Keep it simple.
Yes, ma'am. एक
That would,
बीच वाला हटा देना है masses ask and where certain वाला.
yes, yes, because that is complicating our sentence. So when you are saying it is often argued, then we can always talk about what are the two things which are argued, right? So it is often argued it is often argued that parents should that whether parents should motivate their children to participate in organized group activities, or uh, they should encourage them to learn to engage themselves in uh, you can say in what we would say in individual activities, you can say, or you can say on their own, right?
Okay.
Then whatever you have written, like in this essay, I will shed light on that is okay. That part is good, right?
Okay.
Okay. So then, to begin with, organized group activities allow the children to be socialized. B is not required, but you would be saying organized group activities allow the children to socialize, which helps them to be more confident. For instance, school arranges a picnic where students participate in team activities. Moreover, I think moreover has been used twice. पहले भी कहीं use हुआ है?
वो लेटर में हुआ मैम.
Okay, okay. Moreover, they can take part in various games such as football, cricket, hockey, and basketball to learn the quality of sportsmanship as well as competition spirit, and it helps to groom their personality. Very good. Okay. Furthermore, there are certain activities which everyone comes together, where everyone comes together to help the elders of the society, and vanishes the fear of communication. Vanishes, no, not vanishes, we would say, and uh, you would say, now this sentence needs to be corrected. Here we would say, mm, where everyone comes together to help the elders of the society, and this way they reduce the fear of communication, right?
Okay, this reduce.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the other hand, it is always the on the other hand, children also learn few activities to sharpen their qualities, to occupy themselves in their free time. Children also learn few activities to sharpen their qualities. See, 2 is confusing. So here we would say, on the other hand, children also learn few activities to occupy themselves in free time. Uh, this helps them in sharpening their skills. Maybe you can use it that way. Children also learn, or you should rather put it as, on the other hand, it is also important for children to learn certain activities that can sharpen their skills. This way it would be better,
Okay.
right? For this, they need an individual time, right? Or for this, they need to occupy themselves in their free time. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But it also have a negative influence. Okay. Have nahi bache? Has, but it also,
Has a negative.
okay. Now, see here, I think before coming on to it, that it has some negative influence also. For before that, we need to say, as in, what are those kind of activities which if individually done can help the children to improve. ऐसी कौन सी activities हो सकती हैं, right?
Okay.
So here you can quote an examples that, on the other hand, uh, children must also be encouraged to, involve in some individual time so that they can sharpen their skills. Uh, for instance, a child can always utilize his free time in improving his handwriting,
Yes.
or he can utilize his time in solving, you can say, complicated mathematical problems, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Other than that, he can also utilize that time constructively in painting and drawing, or
Okay.
sometimes playing games, video games, which can help him sharpen his reflexes. ऐसा करके कुछ, ठीक है? So that you're talking about as in what is such individual activity which is going to help the child to improve himself in one way or the other, right?
एग्जाम्पल्स के तौर पे ये लिखना है.
Yes, maybe one or two of them, not all of them, but where you are talking about that, this helps in improving his skills sometimes.
Okay.
Or you can simply say that, for an instance, a child having an interest towards art and craft can always utilize his individual time in drawing and painting, should use his or can use his time in drawing and painting, which can help him enhance his skills in that particular area,
Okay.
right? That kind of a thing. How, अब जहाँ पे आपने लिखा है but it also have a negative influence, you can also write however it may also have an adverse effect,
Okay.
right? but को however कर दीजिए, however it may also have an adverse effect, right?
Adverse.
Adverse, negative की जगह, right? On children, which results in a negative psychology. I would say leave this sentence. You can simply say that, however, it can also have an adverse effect on the child, right? So then you may then an example related to that also is required to be given. So then you would say that too much time spent alone can bring mm, negative influences or negative thoughts in the mind of the child, right? Too much time spent alone can bring negative thoughts in the mind of the child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have mentioned they are more stubborn because of loneliness in their spare time. Okay. Yeah, you would say that some children tend to get stubborn.
Tend. T-E-N-D.
Yeah, tend. Some children tend to become or get stubborn
Okay.
because of spending a lot of lonely time, right?
Okay. Yes,
To
ma'am.
illustrate this, the use of mobile phone has increased in recent years. Additionally, they do not know to manage their time and less participation in social. Okay, so you would say that this is good. To illustrate this, the use of mobile phones has increased in the recent years. Uh, now, recent years. इसके बाद आपने ये भी मेंशन करना है ना कि हाउ इज इट इन्फ्लुएंसिंग, right? So you would say, to
Okay.
illustrate this, the use of mobile phone has increased in recent years, which has led to children using more mobile phones for playing video games,
Okay.
right? Additionally, so then you would say, uh, rather than saying additionally here, then you would say as a result, right? They
Okay.
do not manage their time properly and participate less in social activities.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So moreover, they cannot is ability. So rather than saying cannot, we would say, moreover, they do not cooperate with their friends and family because they uh, cannot accept their decisions or lifestyle. This is okay, right? But cannot will not be used. They do not cooperate with their friends or family because they cannot accept their decisions or lifestyle. right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in conclusion, balance of both is required to manage the time, but juveniles, so it needs to be S, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Cannot spend spare time positively, mm, is required. Balance of both is required to manage the time, but juveniles cannot. Now, here also we will not be using cannot, we will say
Can
do not,
do.
right? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
spend spare time positively. So parents should guide them to take part in organized activities
Okay.
and utilize their spare time efficiently. दोनों चीजें करनी है ना, because you
Yes.
said balance of both is required. So you would say that so parents should guide them to take part in organized activities and utilize their free time efficiently.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes, ma'am.
as you have used in conclusion, you can use other connectors also. Uh, you can say to conclude, you can say to deduce.
DEDUCE.
Yes, to deduce. You can also say with the overall analysis, it can be said that balance of both is required. With the overall analysis, it can be said that balance of both is required to manage the time,
Okay.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So I guess you have written well actually, Sukhpreet. I would say काफी अच्छा था. अगर पिछली राइटिंग्स के साथ कंपेयर करें तो काफ़ी फ़र्क है. बट मेजरली व्हाट आई वुड स्टिल एम्फसाइज इज दैट ये जो मैंने बातें कही हैं इनको थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे करके व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग better usage of connectors rather than using but make use of however, right?
However. Okay.
Yeah, nevertheless use कर सकते हो आप,
Oh,
nevertheless.
yes. Nevertheless, nonetheless. वो मैं भूल
Yes,
गई.
yes, that is something which you can put rather than using simply but. Conclusion के लिए with the overall analysis it can be said that, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so ये चीज़ें when you will implement it is going to make it better. Connectors usage is one thing which is very very crucial. So that is one thing which we will be doing. Other than that, we will be so modifying it is good enough. I would say for today's writing, I would give you 6.5, right?
Okay.
अच्छी थी बट ये जो करेक्शंस हैं ये कर लेनी है, राइट?
Okay.
ग्रेट.
एक
सो
मैम PEER उसका मतलब क्या होता है?
सॉरी
P
क्या? Peer.
PEER peer.
Peer. Okay, peer group we generally say. So peers are the people who are of your age. We say peer group. So which means or the peers along with us. So the colleagues, the friends who are there with us of same age group.
Okay.
Right? The
तो
sentence
यहाँ पे ग्रुप की जगह मैं पीयर यूज कर सकती थी क्या?
कहाँ पे?
जैसे हमने यूज किया ऑर्गेनाइज ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज,
हाँ हाँ.
तो यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज पीयर एक्टिविटीज एंड ऑल.
Organize group activities along with the peers you can use. Or
ओके.
yeah, peer group activities that also you can use,
ओके.
right? Group
ओके.
activities with the peers वो भी use हो सकता है.
ओके.
Yeah. So activities in a peer group, this also can be used.
ओके.
Yeah. Okay.
ओके
So
मैम, एक्चुअली आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड इन द पीयर एंड ग्रुप मीनिंग. मुझे लगा शायद मैं पीयर यूज कर लूं, तो फिर मैंने
peer,
किया नहीं.
yeah, right. Same age when we want to say, so we use peer group, right? Okay. Now, moving on to listening, कैसी रही?
अच्छी रही. लिसनिंग में 38 आए.
Wow, that's nice. 8 की टेस्ट 1 किया था ना आपने?
यस मैम.
Great, nice. So 38 is a good score. Very nice. एक ही बारी में किया था. I guess you have
यस
not.
मैम, एक ही बारी में, और वो भी मैंने जल्दी जल्दी में किया था।
Right. Okay. Nice. Nice. But you know, this is just for the practice. The recent listenings are slightly changed in the pattern. I would say they are slightly more demanding in case of MCQs and in case of maps also. So once you are
यस,
done with, you know, these listenings, then we will move on to other ones so that the balance would be rightly maintained. Right?
ओके ओके।
Great. What about reading? GT reading करी थी?
यस मैम, इट्स 36।
36 was also a good score. 34 is a requirement, and if you have scored 36, then it has gone well, right? So you have any doubts?
यस मैम, एक तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ही मुझे वो इतना चेक करने के बाद भी नहीं पता चला कि उसमें वो चिल्ड्रन के बारे में कहाँ बात की।
Okay, just a minute. Let me come on to the test, and then we will discuss. Okay, so first three questions look at three holidays A, B, and C on page number 104. For which holiday are the following statements true? This holiday doesn't cater for young children. तो ये वाला
यस
हॉलीडे
मैम,
जो है
ये
ये
वाला।
cater नहीं करता यंग चिल्ड्रन के लिए, राइट? ए, बी और
यस,
सी तीन ही है.
इसमें आंसर इसका सी है।
ओके, और आपने क्या मेंशन किया था?
मैंने ऐसे तुक्का ही मारा, बी लिख दिया ऐसे, क्योंकि मुझे एंड तक समझ नहीं आया कहाँ लिखा है चिल्ड्रन के बारे में।
ओके, तो अब देखो क्वेश्चन का मतलब है कि दिस हॉलीडे डजंट कैटर फॉर यंग चिल्ड्रन, मतलब कि यंग चिल्ड्रन को नहीं करता केटर, राइट? अब देख लेते हैं सी क्या कहता है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. Cedar Lodge, a blend of casual sophistication and rich rainforest ambience for those over 25. ठीक है, अब ये 25 साल के ऊपर वाली एज वालों के लिए है,
ओके।
right? Now if we see B, a true coral island right on the Great Barrier Reef, swim straight from the beach, right? Here the ये जो 1 4 है, number of nights. Okay, so here 4 nights, इसका कुछ नहीं है. Picnic, lunch, optional extra, extra. Okay, hot breakfast plus this plus dinner, close minibus trip. Oldest living rainforest, free bikes, tennis courts, horse riding, etc. ओके बच्चे, सी बी में ऐसा कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया कि कौन सी एज ग्रुप के लिए है,
यस।
ठीक है. सी में स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन किया है फॉर दोज ओवर 25, व्हिच मींस नॉट फॉर यंग चिल्ड्रन, राइट? अगर हम माउंटेन लॉज की बात करें एक की, तो उसमें भी अ यूनिक विल्डरनेस रिट्रीट ऑन द एज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज लिस्टेड नेशनल पार्क एंड ओनली 5 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम द सी. इसमें भी ऐसा कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया कि कौन सी एज ग्रुप के लिए है. तो something which
ओके।
is specifically not for children, young children, is 3 because it is over the age of 25,
यस।
right? Okay.
यस।
Okay. और
नेक्स्ट, नाइन्थ।
okay. right. A parent goes overseas to bring an injured or sick student to Australia. ठीक है. So पेरेंट जाता
Yes.
है ओवरसीज क्या करने के लिए, अपने इंजर्ड या सिक स्टूडेंट को ऑस्ट्रेलिया वापस लाने के लिए. तो क्या ये कवर्ड है बाय गवर्नमेंट अरेंजमेंट्स, कवर्ड बाय मल्टी प्लान पॉलिसी, नॉट कवर्ड बाय मल्टी प्लान पॉलिसी, और कवर्ड इन सम सिचुएशंस,
Its
राइट?
answer is D, but I marked it as B.
ओके. सो मल्टी प्लान पॉलिसी में मार्क किया आपने, है ना?
Yes.
अब देख लेते हैं ये मल्टी प्लान पॉलिसी में है या नहीं है. हाँ जी, यहीं पे है ना मेडिकल वाले में सेकंड पैराग्राफ में, इफ यू हैव अ
Yes, ma'am.
सीरियस एक्सीडेंट और इलनेस, मल्टी प्लान इंश्योरेंस विल कवर द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर फ्लाइट बैक टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ठीक है, अगर आपका कोई सीरियस एक्सीडेंट और या इलनेस हुआ है तो मल्टी प्लान इंश्योरेंस विल कवर द कॉस्ट ऑफ फ्लाइट बैक टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया इफ रिक्वायर्ड, वो भी इफ रिक्वायर्ड, राइट? डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सर्कमस्टांसेस, अब वो सिचुएशंस पे डिपेंड करता है. दिस मे ऑल्सो पे फॉर ईदर मेडिकल पर्सनल और फैमिली मेंबर टू अकम्पनी यू होम, राइट? ये जब
Yes.
हमें मे का यूसेज आ जाता है विच मीन्स इट इज नॉट अ श्योरिटी. सो जहाँ पे विल
Yes.
का यूसेज है उसका मतलब ये है कि वो आपकी कॉस्ट को तो कवर करेगा फ्लाइट की, लेकिन आप पेरेंट की या कोई मेडिकल पर्सनल जो साथ में जाएगा उसकी कॉस्ट को भी कवर करेगा, ये पक्का नहीं है. दिस डिपेंड्स ऑन द सर्कमस्टांसेस, राइट?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it becomes covered in some situations. D answer. A parent
Okay.
goes overseas to bring an injured or sick student to Australia, covered in some situations, not in every situation. बहुत clearly उन्होंने लिखा है depending on certain circumstances, right?
Okay. Okay. And next is 13.
13. A student's laptop is stolen. Okay, आपने क्या लिखा?
मैंने वही B लिखा और इसके ऊपर क्लियरली मेंशन भी किया हुआ था and that is covered by multi plan policy
Covered
और
by
its
government.
answer is D.
Okay, just a second. तो
दिस वन इज बिलोंगिंग्स में लास्ट वाला है.
Okay. Multi-plan policy covers most students' requirements. In particular, it provides students with luggage insurance. This covers any loss or theft of your everyday belongings. For example, insurance covers the present value of items that are stolen, provided that you have purchased receipts for every item. If no receipts, no payment can be made. Replacement value of your briefcase or backpack and study books, portable computers and CD players, if you specifically list them as items in the policy. Okay, so a student's laptop is stolen. हाँ जी, इसमें आगे ये भी तो लिखा है ना बच्चे, इफ क्लॉज में देखो ये किस कैटेगरी में आएगा, पोर्टेबल कंप्यूटर्स की कैटेगरी में लैपटॉप.
यस.
So if you specifically list them as items in the policy, अगर आप उसको list करते हो as items in the policy तभी. So covered in some situations, it is not covered by multiple. समझ आ गई?
यस मैम, मैंने ऊपर वाला पढ़ा, मैंने सोचा वो सारी उसी के अंडर हैं और मैं नीचे वाले पढ़े ही नहीं फिर.
हाँ, because see, that is what is, यही तो इसकी छोटी छोटी टेक्निकलिटीज हैं जो हमें ध्यान में रखनी पड़ती हैं, राइट? सो जहाँ पे इफ वाला क्लॉज आ गया वहां आपको वो उस चीज को कंसिडर करना है, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
ओके.
ये जबरदस्ती का लूज किया हुआ माँ के 37 आ जाने.
यस 37 आ जाने थे. नेक्स्ट इज 21.
ओके, जस्ट अ सेकंड. Okay. So, in what year were the regulations extended to cover most of the workers who were originally excluded? तो इन्होंने पूछा कौन से साल में रेगुलेशंस एक्सटेंड हुई थी कवर करने के लिए उन मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्कर्स को जिनको पहले एक्सक्लूड किया गया था, है ना?
Yes.
Okay, so what have you written?
Its answer is 2003, but I am
What
writing it as a 2004.
Okay, देख लेते हैं. The working time regulations introduced a new right to paid holidays for most workers. However, some workers were not covered when the WTR working time regulations came into force in October 1998. Since the regulations were amended मतलब उनको दोबारा से रिव्यू किया गया था, अमेंड करना,
Okay.
ठीक है. With effect from
Yes.
1st August 2003, the majority of these workers have been entitled to paid holidays, right? And since
Yes.
1 August 2004, the regulations have also been applied to junior doctors. अब 1st August 2004 से junior doctors को include किया गया है, लेकिन 1st August 2003 में क्या किया गया था? Most of the workers को कवर कर लिया गया था जो पहले एक्सक्लूडेड थे.
Okay.
समझ आया नहीं आया?
उसमें
एक बार
वो
देख
लिखा ना कि मेजोरिटी, तो मुझे लगा सबको फिर बाद में 2004 में लिया होगा.
See, however, some workers not covered when the WTR came into force in October 1998. मतलब जो रेगुलेशंस एक्चुअल में बने थे वो अक्टूबर 1998 में बने थे, लेकिन सम वर्कर्स वर नॉट कवर्ड. अब बात किसकी हो रही है क्वेश्चन में? सम वर्कर्स की, जूनियर डॉक्टर्स की बात नहीं हो रही.
Okay.
ठीक है. सो सिंस द रेगुलेशंस वर अमेंडेड, रेगुलेशंस अमेंड कब हुए? 1st August 2003 को. तब क्या हुआ? मेजॉरिटी ऑफ दीज वर्कर्स हैव बीन एंटाइटल्ड. ठीक है, तो हमारे
Okay.
क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो यहीं पे ही आ गया.
Yes, ma'am.
मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द वर्कर्स जो थे वो इंटाइटल्ड हो गए. तो जो ओरिजिनली एक्सक्लूडेड थे, जो पहले एक्सक्लूडेड थे, मतलब जो अक्टूबर 1998 से एक्सक्लूडेड थे, राइट?
Yes.
So which means that this answer is justified here. So 2003. Yeah, ये भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान से पढ़ा होता तो 38 हो जाते.
Yes. बस मुझे लगा उसके बाद उन्होंने डॉक्टर्स को भी बीच में ले लिया तो सारे हो गए.
नो नो नो, सारे की तो बात नहीं, ओरिजिनली एक्सक्लूडेड की बात हुई थी. क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट का बहुत ध्यान रखना है. इट्स वेरी क्रूशियल बिकॉज सारी टेक्निकलिटी क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट में होती है, राइट?
Okay.
सो क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट ध्यान से पढ़ोगे तो आंसर बाद में जाके पढ़ोगे तो मिल ही जाएगा. अगर जूनियर डॉक्टर्स की बात होती जो कि सिर्फ बाद में एक्सक्लूडेड रह गए थे, तो रेफरेंस क्वेश्चन में जूनियर डॉक्टर्स का ही आता.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
या सो एनी अदर डाउट?
No, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है. फिर भी यू हैव डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब. 36 इज अ गुड स्कोर, बट इससे भी आगे जाना है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your target as 38 for both of them, so that you know you score good. You always keep on scoring good,
Okay.
right? Okay, so
Yes.
let's start with the speaking part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a second, let me open the speaking. Just 1 minute. Yes, right. So shall we start, Sukhpreet?
Yes. Yes,
Great.
ma'am.
Okay. So, Sukhpreet, how well do you know the people who live next door to you?
Uh, how well do you know the people who live next door to you? Mhm. They are quite, they are quite, they are quite good people who live next door to me. They are very helping people. I always try to talk to them whenever I see them.
Okay. Of course, I would say answer is good, but then you need to give some introduction. The people living next door to me are very nice people. They are very helpful, and I always like to meet them. I almost meet them every day, right? That's how. So, how often do you see them?
I, we both are working people. My neighbors are both my neighbors are teacher, and so I oftenly see them in morning and evening when we are going to work and coming back from our work.
Okay. So then oftenly becomes, very, oftenly would be that you keep on seeing them now and then. So when you say that both are working, so we not say oftenly, you would say that since we both are working, so we get to see each other either in mornings or in evenings, right? What kind
Yes.
of what kind of problem do people sometimes have with their neighbors?
Mm, the main problem the main problem where every neighbors have to be faced is only the noise.
Mhm.
Some neighbors are interested to do party at night with a loud music and watch movies with some and movies with loud volume. And some neighbors also have a dog which barks at night to disturb our sleep.
Okay. So you can, I would say, although it was good, but certain things can be taken care of. There can be a number of problems faced due to neighbors, right? So then you would say one major problem can be noise, which can arise due to the late night parties. Rather than putting it, do parties, rather than saying they do parties, you would say which can arise due to late night parties or due to the pets at home. Other than that, people can have also have problems due to parking issues,
Okay.
right? So precise it, that is the thing which we need to do. Okay, how do you think neighbors can help each other?
Uh, Neighbors can help each other in various ways. They are just like the families for each other. Neighbors can watch the house in the neighbors can watch the house in the absence when we are going to a holiday, or they can receive the parcel when we are on our work or outside our home.
Good, nice. Okay, so for your cue card, you have this question. Yes, and you have 1 minute to prepare for it. Yes, Sukhpreet, let's start.
Yes, it is too difficult topic.
Yes.
I do not like to participate in surveys.
Mm-hmm.
But last month I did it because because it was an online survey. So I participated in it.
Okay.
I participated in a survey of a shopping site which held as an online survey. The survey was about the online shopping, which have following questionnaires. How did I join their shopping site, and how was my experience? How I recommend the other peoples to join them, and how do they improve their delivery patterns. I joined their website few months ago and did shopping continuously. I think they asked me for share their opinions because of my continuous shopping with them and share my feedbacks on every purchase. I shared few of my strategies on their delivery patterns and advise them to focus on the feedback of every customer and describe the solutions how to solve their problems. It was quite a good survey because it is an online survey. Uh, it's just a it was an online survey, just a chatting with some friends from my mobile phone. I spent about 15 minutes on this survey, and I also want to do it again if I get a chance. And,
So my overall experience was very nice related to it, and I thought that I have helped them to improve themselves, something like that, you know. So conclusion needs to be like that, right? Uh, uh, okay, a few things which I would like to discuss related to the feedback of this. So, though you had prepared very nicely, थोड़ा सा तो मदर टंग इन्फ्लुएंस पे ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है. The words like participate, right? So I participated specifically, as I mentioned earlier, right? थोड़ा सा softer side पे बोलने की कोशिश करनी है. That will get better, right? So initially when you started, you said, though I do not like to participate. Any negative opinion or any negatives, uh, specifically, you know, things should not go from our side, which reveals that, you know, we have a disliking for something which may prove to be good, right? So you would say, although I feel that surveys are time consuming and questionnaires and surveys are time consuming. So I generally avoid doing them, you can say that, right? Rather than saying I do not like them, right? But sometimes I feel that they are very important to be given for feed as they help in improvement of the services or the products also, right? So here I would like to talk about one survey which I took or which I participated in, right? Or one questionnaire wherein I participated for their feedback, right? Rest of the things were good from your side. Um, you said there were a number of questionnaires in it. There were a number of questions in it, not questionnaires in it, right? So जितने भी questions थे, बाकी overall आपने बहुत अच्छा perform किया. You did good justice to 2 minutes. Last conclusion needs to be a bit satisfying one, जिसमें कि हम completely अपना बता दें कि मेरा experience. They have asked in the last question, explain how you felt about giving your opinion, right? So you would be saying that overall my experience was good, and I felt happy that I was able to contribute in the positive development or improvement of the services, right? That way. Good enough. पहले से अच्छा है. थोड़ा सा बचे towards the mother tongue influence, you need to work on the what we say pronunciation part. तो उस पे जान के थोड़ा सा उसको you need to bring towards the English side, right? So next time this needs to be taken care. Let's do the part 3. So what kinds of organizations want to find out about people's opinions?
There are various kinds of organization which want people's opinion. Basically, they are manufacturing organization or service delivery organizations. Uh, they want people's opinion to improve their material or products or their delivery pattern. How to uh, manufacture uh, efficiently or deliver an item at a time
On time. On
on
time.
time.
Yes. Do you think that questionnaires or surveys are good ways of finding out people's opinions?
Yes, questionnaires or surveys are good ways of finding people's opinion, but not always. Uh, after every delivery of your product, uh, customers share their feedback. So organization must focus on their feedback to improve their business. Sometimes surveys are not held in a positive way because of the time schedule.
We should avoid, lengthening our answers. Specifically, part 3 answers ज़्यादा लंबे नहीं खींचने, ठीक है? They need to be more to the point, 3-4 sentences. So we would say, do you think that questionnaires or surveys are good ways of finding out people's opinions? I personally feel that they are good ways of finding people's opinions. However, sometimes they are the questionnaires are very big and people do not give the right opinions also. So I think that thing needs to be considered. And if people take it seriously and questionnaires are to the point, then they can be helpful. Yeah, that ways. What reasons might people have for not wanting to give their opinions?
There are a lot of reasons where people do not show their interest to give their opinions. The reasons are mainly the shortage of time or share their personal information. Everybody have their busy schedule, so they do not want to share their opinions, especially their personal information to anyone.
Yes, everybody has, we would say, not have, everybody is a singular. So everybody has their own personal time, and sometimes they are short of time to share their opinions. Sometimes they do not want to reveal some personal information, right? Reveal can be used. Okay. Do you think it would be a good idea for schools to ask students their opinions about lessons?
I think this would be a good idea for schools to ask students about their opinions about the lessons, whether they enjoy the lesson or not, how they want to prepare the lessons, and which type of lessons they have more interest. So this will improve the results of the school.
Okay. What would be the advantages for schools if they ask students their opinions?
There are a lot of advantages for the schools if they are working on the students' opinion, uh, whether they uh, whether they know about the actual whether they know about the actual strategies which students likes while they are studying. So by following the students' opinion, they must focus on the things which students are comfortable with.
Okay. So What would be the advantages probably was the question. So we can say there are a number of advantages which can be there. Schools will be able to bring changes in their curriculum, positive changes in the curriculum as per the requirements of the students, and of course the results would also be good, right? Okay, would
Yes.
there be any disadvantages in asking students' opinions?
Uh, Sometimes there would be a disadvantage by asking a student's opinion. If we are asking to the students, if we are asking to the students about their opinions again and again, then then the student think about then the student think the, then the student think that the teachers are working accordingly their decisions.
Okay, this can be made better by saying that there can be number of disadvantages also, or sometimes जैसे आपने शुरू किया था कहना, sometimes there can be disadvantages when there are a lot of questionnaires or student opinions which are taken or surveys, then they might not take it seriously. They might also take it for granted, right? So making it a bit brief, I would say. जितना आप इसे brief कर दोगे, उतना it will become easier, right? So taking for granted means that not taking it serious and taking that, teachers will work according to them. So they might take it for granted, and at certain times, if there are so many questionnaires or surveys, they might not even take it serious and do not give the right opinions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So overall, I would again say this is very near to 6.5. बीच में छोटे छोटे grammatical issues जहाँ पे आप कहीं कहीं continuous tense use करते हो, जहाँ पे you say that this is bringing or this is जैसे आपने बोला था the students sometimes are thinking, so this needs to be used as simple present. The students sometimes may think, right? This may bring an adverse effect, right? So those kind of things need to be taken care. Make use of more simple present when we are talking about general things, right?
Okay.
So continuous is used only when we are talking about something which is happening right now. So that part needs to be taken care of, right? Other than that, I guess we are done with today's thing. So you will be doing the test B for reading. Yeah, you have Sunday with
एक्चुअली
you.
मैं अभी एक बार दो लिसनिंग्स कर पाऊंगी दो, क्योंकि माय चार्जर इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली, सो माय लैपटॉप इज नॉट
Okay, so
एबल
you
टू
will
चार्ज
not
राइट
be,
नाउ.
so you'll not be able to do listenings.
नो, रीडिंग लिसनिंग फोन पे हो जाती है आराम से अगर मैं करूँ
हाँ
तो.
हाँ हाँ.
पर अभी चार्जर स्पार्क हो गया तो अभी एक दो दिन लगेंगे उसको रिकवर करने में.
लैपटॉप को,
यस.
तो विच मीन्स कि आप रीडिंग नहीं कर पाओगे.
यस, लिसनिंग कर लूंगी, फिर दो लिसनिंग्स कर लूंगी.
ठीक है, आप 2 और 3 की लिसनिंग कर लो फिर. एंड
यस.
एंड राइटिंग ऑल्सो यू विल बी डूइंग. तो जीटी बी की आप राइट, जीटी ए की ही राइटिंग पेंडिंग है अभी, तो 8 का हमने जीटी ए
का ऐसे पेंडिंग है.
सिर्फ ऐसे पेंडिंग है.
यस
लेटर,
मैम, आज लेटर जो आज किया था वो 8 का ही है.
अच्छा नहीं नहीं, लेटर जो हमने डिस्कस किया है वो तो उसी का ही
वो 8
था.
का है.
नहीं, लोकल काउंसिल वाला ही था, लोकल काउंसिल वाला उसी में ही था.
द
दूसरे
लेटर इज मे बी रिसेप्शन एरिया वाला.
हाँ, रिसेप्शन एरिया वाला दूसरी बुक का ही था.
बुक नंबर 12 का था.
एग्जैक्टली सो वो उसका था, और अभी हमने 8 वाला नहीं किया.
ओह यस. अब मुझे लगा आप टेस्ट 8 की बात कर रहे हो. बुक नंबर 12 का टेस्ट 8 की वो
ओके
ऐसे
ओके.
पड़ा है अभी
नो नो.
पेंडिंग.
So what?
ओह
Yes. So what we are pending with is book number 8, GT Test A.
Yes.
ठीक है ना. GT टेस्ट ए की राइटिंग. सो लेटर एंड ऐसे बोथ. या
Okay.
एक बार
Yes.
देख लेते हैं कैसा है. कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं है जो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. This is test A. This is test A only, right? You have done test A only. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
तो टेस्ट बी की आप कह रहे हो रीडिंग शायद नहीं हो पाएगी इफ लैपटॉप डज नॉट get better, but
Yes.
you will be, yeah, fine. Okay, you have moved to a different house. Write a letter to an English speaking friend. In your letter, explain why you have moved, describe the new house, and invite your friend to come to visit. Right? So, this is an informal letter. Easy
Yes,
enough.
ma'am.
Now, write a letter to English speaking friend is just for the confusion to be created. So, which means write a letter to a friend. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, so which means you will be writing a letter to the friend. Today, more and more people are traveling than before. Why is this the case, and what are the benefits of traveling for the traveler? So, body paragraph 1 would be dealing with why is this happening, and body paragraph 2 will be talking about the benefits.
Traveling.
Right? Overall conclusion would be that traveling enhances the exposure. So it is always advisable that a person should travel to different places to gain more exposure and knowledge, right? That kind
Yes.
of easy enough, I believe. So with this, we are able to wind up our session. So 2 listenings, 2 and 3 tests,
Yes.
and writing task 1
Right.
and task 2 for GTA, right? So then
Yes.
we are meeting on Monday. Yes,
Yes.
Monday. Chalo. See you then. Yeah. Have a nice weekend.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.